Today we are going to take one example of convolution. We will take two signals. This is x of t. X of t is given like a pulse between 4 to 6 and with amplitude 2. And then the signal will be convolved with another signal h of t between 0 to 4 and the amplitude is 1. So this is h of t. We know that the mathematical formula for convolution, we will take the output to be y, which is equal to x of tau h of t minus tau d tau integrated from minus infinity to infinity. So the first step, we are going to flip and shift h of t. So now we need to sketch h of t minus tau. And the sketching goes like that. You flip, right goes to the left, and then you shift to the leftmost. So you will get like that. You can refer also to our previous video on shifting and reflection. So when you flip, you will get 0 to minus 4, and then you plus t. So you will have t and t minus 4. Okay, so this is h of t minus tau. And then you are going to convolve with x of tau. Okay, x of tau is still the same signal between 4 to 6, but now the axis is changed to tau. Okay, so step, if we call this step number 1, and then the next step, step number 2, we are going to draw the overlapping of the two signals. So you maintain x of tau. X of tau does not change. X of tau is maintained from tau goes from 4 to 6. But the one that you change is h of t minus tau. So now you slowly shift h of t minus tau just before it overlaps. So make sure the t is still there and t minus 4 is there. So the height or the amplitude is 1. So just before this edge overlap with this 4. So that's the step number, the next step, which is step number 2, where your t is just before 4. Okay. When you multiply h of t minus tau and x of tau, you will get it 0 because there's no overlapping. You can see here the edge is not overlapping with the signal yet. So when you multiply this signal, h of t minus tau and x of tau, you're going to get 0. You know, in convolution, you need to multiply the two signals before you do the integration. So for t less than 4, y of t, which is the convolution between the x of t and h of t minus tau, the convolution gives you 0 since no overlapping. Okay. You need to inform the limit, and then you need to inform that the results of the convolution is 0.